Hey YouTube, it's your boy Twadi Wasabi, man. You know what it is. I'm back with another banger. Yeah, bro. So today we're talking about the infamous yet controversial, you feel me, Nandos advert. If you are my age, you probably know this, but I know for the 2000s, man, just sit down, bro. Sit down, have yourself a cup of coffee, and subscribe to the channel, dog. You feel me? The famous advert was literally titled Real South Africans, bro, which really caused controversy in 2012, which was the year that the advert was made. You feel me? The ad was publicized on the internet, you feel me, on social media, on SABC, especially on SABC, you feel me? That's where most people were able to see the advert, and that's where the controversy really started, you feel me? So in this advert, literally, the narrator is telling all foreigners to go back to where they come from while they keep on disappearing one by one.
What's wrong with South Africa? All you foreigners. You must all go back to where you came from. You Cameroonians, Congolese, Pakistanis, Somalis, Ghanaians, and Kenyans. And of course, you Nigerians. And you Europeans. Let's not forget all you Indians and Chinese.
Wait for the end because it gets worse. So I just wanted to clarify something. So here Nandos was literally advertising their new diverse meal, you feel me? Yeah, they called it the diversity meals, you feel me? The diversity menu.
Even you Afrikaners, back to Swaziland for you Swatis, Lesotho for you Sotos, Tswanas, Vendas, Zulus, everybody.
This part kills me every time, bro. I'm not gonna lie, man. So these are the coincidence, man. Indigenous South Africans. Remember how America started? So like literally, white people, they kidnapped America from Paleo Americans, which are Indians, literally. Same goes for South Africa, bro. So the Zulus, the Xhosas, the Sothos, your Tswanas, your Pedis, your Tsongas, all our ancestors migrated from the Abantu migration. Back to like historical, man. If you go on Google and you Google the Bantu migration, you're gonna see that's where we all come from, bro. Like no one really came from South Africa or what. Nah, it's just we came to South Africa. Our ancestors came to South Africa and they settled, you feel me, in different parts of SA. So yeah.
Real South Africans love diversity. That's why we have introduced 2 more items: new peri-crusted wings and delicious chinchado and chips.
Nandos, they knew something we never knew years ago.